some of the members here met and decided they will buy me a jet. And I'm talking of decades ago, not today. I had to stop them because I heard about their plan. They were already contacting one of my children who works with American Airlines in America. How do we get a very nice, well-used jet for our pastor? I had to stop them, say, buying a jet is one thing. Maintaining it is another thing. That right now, I need money to build churches, not a jet. In case you don't believe me, well, there's evidence. When 9/11 happened, and America was trying to find out who and who could be connected with bombing there or something, they saw a record. You know, every telephone call you make to America is recorded. In case you don't know it now. They saw in their database that there was a time some people in Nigeria were trying to buy a jet from American Airlines. So they sent their operative to go and pick up my son there to find out what happened to that project. Then they discovered, it's a pastor they wanted to buy it for. And they felt, no, a pastor is not going to be a bomber.